I like the smell of wood, certain kinds of wood in particular. Uh, that's what I remember, I think probably the clearest from my high school shop days was the smell of walnut when you cut it. Boy, it's spicy. It has a really good smell. Some people are allergic to it though, but I'm not. You start with some kind of raw materials or ideas or whatever, and then you make something. Maybe I'll cut up some of this. And making things has a lot to do with a thing called flow, where there is a process that has a beginning and a middle and an end, and seeing that process through is satisfying for whatever reasons, I don't know. But I can spend a whole day sawing up wood at the table saw to make blanks to make molding out of, and just seeing these little piles of regular shapes stacked up after I'm done is satisfying. The two halves of the joint in the vise. And I know when I first started making furniture, and all of this woodworking stuff I do, I never studied it, except I had 1 year of high school wood shop a long time ago. The rest of all the furniture making thing and everything, I just read books and tried things, and did it until I got it right, or as right as could be. Mm-hmm. No, I always wanted to make a pipe organ, but I just never have time. So here, this one is a saxophone pipe. I had figured out what it was about doing this stuff that I like, and it's the actual doing of it that I like. Mm-hmm. So because of that, I can do this until I fall over in the shop dead, because I'm liking it. Most days, anyway.